Yo, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so basically the first video on the channel, and we just react to some things where I'd say basic Jamaicans or average Jamaicans I just react to. So as you can see, me just a regular youth way. And this time I just decide to say, oh, YouTube, right? And this time, so let's report the celebrity them and just go through. So today we're gonna do a Swissly. So actually, I just react to some things with them do. And know, so them I go on with. So that one anyway, I go do the cooking with Rebel. So I guess I don't. Alright, I don't know the backstory with none of them. So I don't want to feel like say I have no bias towards them or I don't know them to be honest. And this time I just see them on social media and basically just to them. Because I'm not a youth to really follow up social media. If you really know me, I get to know me in area, so I never really in a social media for even know them like that and hear them stuff. I know some of them have stories, but I not to listen to them. You understand me? So I have no bias towards them. Some of them say this one, and I just feel like say this, them look like two, young people where I do them things. So might as well just react to what them I do. So we'll start watching too. So what go on. The damn ads them. YouTube, we hate the ads them. What was that? Let's go.
Okay. So come so. Alright guys, so stay tuned. You'll get the season them on the road. So stay tuned.
I'm in so.
Let me see, fix it. I don't know.
Yeah, I wanted to them know if make you laugh. Just you see them not really know I'm start laugh already.
Nice. Babe, drop back now, look like a cruise. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. Okay.
Yo, man, I tell you something, them genuinely come literally I'm just start laugh already. Like, bro, like trying to start.
Them, yeah. He playing about my blood.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, so today we're gonna cook rice and peas and stewed chicken. Wish me luck. But first I get to brush my teeth. One more thing.
Yeah.
Bro, you brush your teeth and your mouth rotten right now.
No, for real. You're a big man and your mouth stink.
One more thing, babe?
Me not go around there. No.
Jesus Christ.
Your mouth,
No, dog, I can't kick out the video, so brother. Yo, the man kick out the video, so yo, alright.
Some work and bring it out, okay, your mouth stink for real. I'm not joking.
Be a left on this, you know? I wish way me I go.
Yo, drive the car.
Which way me I go?
Use something on the
Which
dash.
way me I go? As in so?
Yeah.
So me a turn?
Yeah, go so.
But your mouth stink when you brush. Me bring you down. Don't run a joke with me. You can talk. Open your mouth and talking at the AC like this.
Ah!
No.
You do that now?
Ah!
Jesus Christ. 911? Emergency.
What a bumper clock something.
See some hands, catch your breath.
Are you for catch back your breath?
Yeah, money?
Hey,
Now
them
you're the
funny,
man.
I tell you them funny.
Every time your blood clot.
Watch out.
So me the man. I come and my blood clot with the man. Come now.
Yeah, which blood clot, man? Yeah,
Alright, I'm gonna make a reaction because obviously at 22 minutes worth I don't do that be a funny thing. So probably just gotta skip out to the actual nice part then. But them bad are funny. China style.
blood clot, man.
Them look like them did not try to be honest. And them actually funny, like
See toothbrush in there, seven also. You see them?
Razor this. Okay, razor.
Yo.
Come on.
Rachel. Girl, them see me and I see her. Give me the burst, me icky the burst, me the man for your G, we did it to the best first. But this time I'm gonna piece the first, I'm gonna kind of man, I'm gonna beat the best. Hold, and then I'm gonna feed the flow. And the girl them say with the weed about.
Yeah.
Him could have DJ. If him, yeah. It sound like him could have actual DJ. But seriously, it's so like that a while ago, yeah. Him the pan I read him, yeah, that's that bad.
No, if I we walk out with them.
Oh,
We are a thief.
me no thief.
Be let's thief some stuffs.
Watch him.
Alright,
Go on. You want to test one of them?
Your thief, bring it down.
Yeah, thief, sure.
Don't thief it, come.
Alright. So don't want me to see it.
So based on what I see, it look like them overseas. So you see, it look like our $10. You see for one I sitting them, so overseas them there. So and I'm gone.
Hey, ma.
Are the money I got?
No, bro. No, ma.
As I say, I never know about them life. So basically, right now, this video literally, even I don't know. It's just an update. Me basically, I don't even watch a video. But me used to watch them as in on Instagram, but I never as in taking them live. I can just see a video with them though, see how one funny skit they just laugh and he's gone. That's how I know see them kind of funny. And you know what I mean? But boy, I know. And then the two of them combined together is like rice and peas. I go them a cook their ass. Two of them.
Right. The answer. Come on, back to two Russia. Hey, ma.
Everybody a call, man.
Hey. Hello. Where do you find the toothbrush?
Toothbrush?
Yeah.
Aisle 9.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma. She frightened.
Man, I call her no, man. Yeah, I don't, you know.
We bring her down with a body flat here.
Stop it, I buy man.
Have I buy it? Not true.
But
Hey,
I could
hey.
put them as a so big.
Hey, Rebel, you warm, you know?
I'm still warm.
No, you're kind of cold now. Take a...
Boy.
Him too lie. What rebel hot girl? All them shut up. Them rebel a hot piece of girl. I see her there and she no matter whatever. Hot piece of sin this brother.
Boil you know.
Eh?
I boil them, did boil you know.
Boil out.
See there.
Fixed.
Swissly hot. One of them gone brother. You see them overseas that them thing. We that Jamaica try to struggle out.
I don't get a toothbrush, man.
No, them toothbrush I use brush your teeth. Soft and cool.
Red and black. Yay! $10?
For
What that
one,
way?
Yeah.
for one toothbrush, $10. Bumbo clot. Hey, but that's how much? If I got a shop, I probably around $150 for one toothbrush.
Colgate.
And we probably not look at that one there, but at least I want toothbrush though.
So let's say excuse.
Oh, sorry, ma.
Stop for say excuse.
Sometimes them have giant these in their mouth, you know, them can't talk. Have you seen them? Yo, yeah. And I tell you, you know?
Mama, I didn't up there.
No, push up. Take it up. Anything I want, just take it.
Take it.
You want one too?
Cooking on one of them suit, yeah. Take a outfit.
No, I think this is for you.
Me not drink out of them, sir.
I'm not a pink.
B, take a outfit and me a beat one. Me that whole that palm shirt, yeah.
I want me to put on.
And you find I dress it.
Dress?
Yeah.
Which one I shirt I take?
I don't think them can dress because that shirt they look tough and all that.
Me I take that one, man. That palm one, yeah. Clot.
Yo.
I hear from people now cooking and we look close, beach close. And we are cooking at this.
No, B, no.
Yeah.
You have to get the hat.
So me not get it at see at ya.
So my hat then.
No people have to go watch the full video. As I'm saying, probably skip or something, but you have to go watch the full video. It depends on him channel, I think Swissly, I look at Swissly TB.
Badhead. Oh, sorry, it's a lady here.
Hi.
Hi, ma. I think I did there from last night. You have scallion,
Yeah.
pepper and them thing there.
Why Swissly? Let me see if they actually have them something. Hold on.
Alright.
She said, She said, I'm here, CBS. Alright. But them scallion are different. Them they use like, them they have scallion as something else. Like, them have, them not like scallion as onion. I'm not sure. But both such video. That's my future thinking. You know, so sometimes I future thinking with them.
So I get the scallion, thyme and onion, tomato, pepper and ketchup. You know nothing else, you know?
You want some else? What, you get juice?
Chink up the baba root, make sure that's ready, really. This is what me go to tell you. Fuck that.
Yeah, I drink that juice.
Make sure you take everything you want from me, you know. you cook the food now. You see?
And we're gonna make sure check out Rebel channel too, cause we want to take her into cause she look like a nice girl. So make sure say subscribe for you. You understand me? We'll look my Rebel channel. Cause we just probably just binge our channel. If you know what binge mean, you just binge watch our channel. Just watch real of the video about us react to about 1 year. You might never know. You understand? But in the future, you know, just continue watch it and do it.
Say I cook brown soup, thing brown in there. Grab a brown and see me if you in there. No. I two things I take on a bag of rice.
Why is a big difference one time woman and man are shopping. So woman them just take up things and just them know if calculate things. Man just put in a trolley and when you reach the cashier I say right it. We never need 4 of this, we need 5 of them, yeah. When me go so wacky, but just spread out without even, but just like I kinda know what I need, but when I get them stuff there sometimes I catch some things. And just like when I catch a shirt, it does buy it. But then when you reach the cashier and you see how much you have spent as the man now, you say, yo, John, alright, that shirt I can't go back. This can't go back, John. Woman just with them know them come buy this, them go buy this, them have the money for it. When them got the cashier, them on point. That's with woman. So let's see for that.
Hey man, you pimento seed?
Alright guys, so now look at them back home. So I'm gonna kick it out back for a mess up, but if not, just just fast forward it. Yeah, so but look at them come back home now, so yeah, you know it.
But she looks so nice.
Rebel look yo, I'm telling you, not hot hey. Rebel, me see her in a real life, hot girl. Remember me tell you.
Keep it things again. Let's start cook. Let's go.
Who smell bad?
Boom. When him say that, me I hear him say that. No, me I go back and listen if him say that. No, me later I go back. Better tell him that the
Pimento
story.
seed. That we want.
Hold on. He cut.
We get all the stuff that we wanted. Now we back. She got change her
When him say that. No, so me I fear.
clothes cause she did smell bad. She looks so nice.
Oh,
People think
him say to true. Me never hear. The boy sister out harder. But yo, John no style.
again. Let's start cook.
You see her face?
Let's go.
Her face that I make up to. Yeah. Who smell bad?
Come out of my face. Come clean up the meat. That's what you come do.
Yo.
This is a man. No.
People now watch them disrespect. I see two of them then good. Me don't even know if I love them up or what popular. I don't know if them relation status. I'm some just have and some really just start to look into them now. But look based by it look at them have a good friendship. Me just start a friendship. You understand? Them have a good connection. So you see the disrespect between them. Them are influencer. Don't follow them up. Don't follow them up. So me all I say boy sister, me know already. So
Gotcha. I'm a cool wall.
Alright, I'm gonna clean it.
The meat. All of a sudden, you know, for clean meat. Man, you pick out the flesh. I fish you pick out.
boy. See that party enough for me, you know. Cause you see where me enough in the kitchen. Me can't do the kitchen. I see my girl, she ever want me for do that party. They cutting up of the meat and if you are cook. Me not depend on me and you in it. No, if you are do it. But I call them do it for video fine. But you know, if that's some with me. And I say I not like the kitchen or it's not some women I do. Because I can cook, but it's just that me personally nah go really in the kitchen of my woman. Because we cook different. If that were the case then. Let's say we cook very differently. So I don't know if I explain that because sometimes one way I can cook, but there's certain stuff in the kitchen where she do or I don't know, or it's just weird, just different from what me would do. So we could see if them have like a different way of how them cook them. Alright, moving forward. What's that?
You not clean it properly. Why you do that?
Sometimes just put it down and make it.
Turn it so. Take off the skin.
Yeah, take out the skin. Watch him. So, sometimes I don't even know if
I
you
tell
take
you
him
good song,
serious.
never please. That good?
Look on the look of fatty part, them right there, so. See there?
Yeah.
That's the lady you see.
Focus.
Focus.
You don't need to scrape it, pinch it like that. Hey, you know I use a cutting board. Don't worry about it.
Just take over.
Come
Me a jack my sleeve.
Yeah, just take
I'm a
over.
chef,
Just take
though.
over.
Chavalente de corrente.
You see, she just take over. Cause she know. I can't she go do it good now. Watch her. And that's a woman thing. Cooking and just. And I say, when I put it towards one gender, but just that woman just have a thing about them just know how to cook. Worse if them are cook from them little. Because it instilling in them. Them parents be like instills them say you have to learn how to cook or else where you go eat when you grow up. Oh, you go do this so you can do that. And some man is not me. I never grew up as a cook. My people always a cook for me. Me never in the kitchen. But my sister, she always a cook. She know for cook. Me just know how to do the basic like cook the chicken and the rice. You know the basic things. Curry chicken and Jamaican food. Watch him. Watch him.
Hush. I see chicken stronger than me.
Actually, me watch a video and make it a play and then me a cut out some
No,
me
no,
come
you
back
know
to the
me
party.
You're ugly.
You know me nice.
You look
no.
like you're really ugly.
Busy in nothing like in attraction.
I need some container, B. You hear my belly?
It make your belly roll like thunder. This not good.
Yeah, that's 2 chicken. I want them in small portions. Come. B, stop frig up the meat.
No, I'm not freeing it up. No, chop it.
So be man guys, watch the full video. If you're on the channel, if you want to catch everything, because I'm going to just skip over some I'm not going to just play everything. So just, if you want to catch a full video, watching channel, Swissly TB. I'm going to link it in the description and the comments so you can get as in link to the video. Videos, okay, you know more than one, so yeah.
Feel for the bone.
Yeah, feel for the bone. So you cut them long so be a steak?
Oh! You want to tell people so you cook bros.
Why you do that?
Yes, I got that too. No brunch or chicken.
Ay, man, let me still.
See different way of
One
cooking.
chop.
Different.
All of a sudden, you know, for clean meat. One chop. Guys, it might take too long. I'm going to wait for him, so we're going to season the meat. Remember, you have to chop up the seasoning, B. We're going to season. Come go and cut them up.
So you know I'm doing this and I do that as well.
Yeah. Come go and cut them up. You see what I want me to put on it? You see what I want me to put on it?
Yeah. Black pepper.
How else?
Chicken season.
How else?
Maggie. All purpose.
What kind of Maggie is this? Grace Maggie?
Everything with grace. So I'm saying,
You want Grace signing?
grace?
Yeah.
I mean,
That would be good, huh?
I'm can cook better than dinner.
What the hell, police?
Are you cool? Yeah. Yes, if you're stronger than me, boy, I beer. Yeah, man. Give him, I'm put it.
Beer. Beer.
Guys, she use her front and lock it and pull it.
Tight.
Tight like a buckle when she cough it.
Wash the ginger.
Oh,
Focus on my youth.
Oh.
Focus, please. Wash out them, Debbie. Say if you're not roughing guys, you don't know to do nothing.
So I don't know if any chef out there, can say can comment on it and tell you, well, it's a basic Jamaican food to be honest. And I know me cause I say me not really in the kitchen. You understand me? So any chef out they can comment and yeah man, I saw it though. Like you understand me? Because the way how me do it, me not like a ginger and them, so probably it's a garlic. You understand me? But I don't know. Probably the ginger for the rice and peas. But I put ginger and rice and peas. You see, me don't even know. So you see, I am not a chef. So if you watch a full video, and then if you make your insights, you make your insights, and I don't know. So
We are making what else in it? I don't know. You wash it?
Yeah. Put soap on it and fab.
Yeah, wash it now with the scrub.
No.
Pot, so take it top.
Guys, make sure you know you cut up your onion, scallion and thyme, pepper, put your browning pan it, cut up your Irish, put it in a pot. And then me clean up my work here and now. So what me I say? Chef Lento Swissley. The rap.
5 hours.
I'm going like I ain't cut the floor. Well, I say the thing is, of me in the kitchen and she in the too. That's what me go on to it. So yeah, me that one, me just put in like put on the rice first. Make sure so the rice that have bubble. Cause white rice to me, I couldn't damn rice and peas. If I rice and peas, I must my girl I cook it. Me now go just like I cook rice and peas for it. On Sunday and on Sunday where I cook it. So most of the time my girl I cook that. So if I rice, a chicken and rice, or white rice. So and me I put on the rice first, that I go on, and then by the time me put on the chicken, so me done cut it up, season it, everything already. Me I tell her, rice done. Rice done. I just had 2 minutes to like the kitchen. I'm say, yeah, if I have to do it, me do it. But I don't have to do it, so me just buy food. Is that man, me just let's buy food. Cause at the end of the day and night, you understand me? And we are gonna do. You're hungry now, and if and I can't cook. Yeah, I can't cook when I'm hungry. Cause you see, if I'm not hungry, while me I cook, food will taste better. Because if I'm hungry and me I cook, more hurry up. So sometimes I just even add enough of this and add enough of that. They just throw some in night and just stir it up. I don't know. But you see when in the man time, I probably eat something, but now I know say even I come up, so I have to cook something because I want something to eat later. So them time there, mwah, chef kiss me, I tell you. You definitely prepare something where you can enjoy because you put time in it. But I just come in to like, I'm a DJ dog. I'm more just if I music. I can't bother the whole cooking thing, and if I can get somebody for that, why not? You understand me? So I just saw them tonight. Alright, so as I said, peeps, I'm not going to watch the last part of the video. Me even not going to watch it, to be honest. I'm probably watch it, but then you have to go take it in yourself. You have to watch the last part of the video. If you don't want to come back here, so, and then comment how it go for sure, so you watch the last part, because I'm not going to watch out the people video. I'm not going to watch the people video. So, like, subscribe, and share the friend them. This is Irie-Acts. Yeah, average Jamaican youth does react to things. If you love the content, as I say, just like, subscribe, and share. Alright? I'm out.